Since the introduction of OpenAI's ChatGPT, the world of technology has seen significant transformations. This powerful tool, the OpenAI Large Language Model, LLM, possesses various capabilities ranging from creative tasks like crafting essays to more technical functions such as crunching numbers and generating code. Individuals are leveraging ChatGPT's extraordinary AI prowess to earn extra income. Today's video will explore 5 hidden methods to make money with ChatGPT in 2024. So, let's get started. Number 1. Using ChatGPT to advance your career. Believe it or not, you can use ChatGPT to help you talk to your boss about getting a promotion or a raise. If you think you should move up at work this year but need to explain why, you can tell the chatbot your ideas and accomplishments. Then, simply ask it to make a good argument for you to use in your upcoming review. The ChatGPT can also help you with other parts of the process. For example, it can give you a plan for a presentation, suggest skills you need for your promotion, give you ideas for questions you might get asked in an interview, and improve your resume so it's better suited for a leadership role. You could also use the ChatGPT to write emails or other work messages, or to devise intelligent solutions to problems at work that demonstrate your skills as a great employee and leader. Number 2. Build an app, website, or service. Creating a product with ChatGPT is a great way to earn money, and you don't need to know how to code. ChatGPT can guide you through turning your ideas into natural products, providing step-by-step instructions on using tools and programming languages. Take the example of Ihor Stefarok, an entrepreneur from Ukraine. He used ChatGPT to build a Chrome extension without programming knowledge and made $1,000 within 24 hours of launching it. With ChatGPT, you can become a solopreneur and start your own business quickly. Need to create a stylish HTML page? Just ask ChatGPT. Want to add Stripe for easy checkout? ChatGPT can help with that too. ChatGPT can even assist in debugging the code if you encounter any errors. If you're serious about using ChatGPT for product development, subscribe to ChatGPT Plus to access ChatGPT 4. While ChatGPT 4 comes at a premium price, it's worth it. This version excels in generating code and quickly identifying and fixing errors. Although you don't need to be a programming expert, having a basic understanding of logic can help you understand what the code is doing. Building a tech product is a promising option for making money with ChatGPT. Number 3. Building custom AI chatbots. Since ChatGPT launched, there's been a growing demand for AI-powered chatbots. Businesses, schools, apps, and individuals are eager to train AI with their data to create personalized chatbots. Learning to train AI and design a sleek interface can lead to good earnings. For instance, Stripe has a virtual assistant powered by ChatGPT, which helps developers understand technical documentation and answer questions instantly. The exciting part is that you don't need to be a programmer to create an AI chatbot. You can ask ChatGPT for guidance. Just ask how to make an AI chatbot using Python, and it'll give you instructions. The OpenAI API can help you quickly find relevant information from indexed JSON files. You can also use TypeScript to build your chatbot's front end. There are various approaches, and ChatGPT is available to assist you. So, if you're interested in selling the idea of a custom-trained AI chatbot for customer service, tech support, or database management, creating one is a great start. Number 4. Become a prompt engineer. Each AI tool or alternative to ChatGPT has unique features. Using AI image generators can be challenging because artificial intelligence needs specific instructions to work effectively. You may have noticed people selling collections of prompts or offering courses on prompt engineering, which has now become a viable career path. If you understand AI and how it works, you can become a prompt engineer and earn money using ChatGPT. You could provide this service for those who need clear and concise prompts for generating AI art with tools like Midjourney. Similarly, if you're experienced with ChatGPT, you could compile the best prompts and sell them as a collection. ChatGPT Plus allows you to access various plugins like Prompt Perfect, which helps generate detailed prompts for easier creation and sale. However, becoming a prompt engineer requires experience in reverse prompt engineering and some understanding of AI. If you already have this knowledge, you can start quickly. For those who don't, there are many online resources available. You can explore our recommended prompt engineering courses to learn how to interact effectively with AI models for optimal results. Number 5. Create videos. The internet holds many unexplored niche and sub-niche categories waiting to be discovered. You can ask ChatGPT to suggest video ideas in a specific category and even write a script for your YouTube video. Once you have your script, you can quickly use platforms like Pictory.ai or InVideo.io to turn your text into videos with AI-generated narration. After creating your video, you can publish it on YouTube and earn extra income. In addition to creating videos based on niche categories, you can capitalize on current events by creating topical content. Reaction videos are popular on YouTube, especially in short formats, videos under 60 seconds. With unique content ideas and ChatGPT's assistance, you have great potential to earn a substantial income from your videos. First, it opens up a world of untapped opportunities. With countless niche and sub-niche categories waiting to be discovered online, a vast content landscape is yet to be explored. By leveraging ChatGPT's ability to generate video ideas and scripts tailored to specific categories, individuals can tap into these unexplored territories and carve out their niche in the digital space. Second, the process of creating videos becomes more streamlined and efficient. With ChatGPT's assistance, users can generate video scripts quickly and easily, eliminating the need for extensive brainstorming sessions and time-consuming scriptwriting processes. Platforms like Pictory.ai or InVideo.io enable users to transform these scripts into polished videos with AI-backed narration, further streamlining the production process. Monetization opportunities abound in the realm of niche video content creation. By publishing videos on platforms like YouTube, creators can earn additional income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With ChatGPT's help in generating unique and engaging content ideas, creators can attract a dedicated audience and maximize their earning potential. ChatGPT's flexibility allows creators to adapt to changing trends and capitalize on topical events. ChatGPT empowers creators to stay agile and relevant in the ever-evolving digital landscape, whether creating reaction videos to trending topics or exploring emerging niches. The combination of niche video content creation and AI tools like ChatGPT offers many benefits, from unlocking new opportunities and streamlining production processes to maximizing earning potential and staying ahead of the digital content space. ChatGPT offers a variety of secret ways to make money in 2024. From aiding in career advancement by helping with promotions and pay raises to building tech products without needing coding skills, ChatGPT empowers individuals to explore new avenues for income generation. Additionally, becoming a prompt engineer or creating niche video content with ChatGPT's assistance presents further opportunities for earning. With its versatile capabilities and potential for monetization, ChatGPT serves as a valuable tool for those seeking to boost their income and explore innovative ventures in the evolving digital landscape of 2024. If you found this video helpful and informative, Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Stay tuned for future videos where we explore even more ways to unlock ChatGPT's full potential and maximize your earning opportunities in 2024 and beyond. Remember, your support helps us continue creating valuable content for you. So hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated. See you in the following video.